Guardians of the Galaxy is Marvel Studios' newest film and stars Chris Pratt as Peter Quill, aka Star-Lord, Zoe Saldana as Gamora, Dave Bautista as Drax, and the voices of Bradley Cooper and Vin Diesel as Rocket and Groot. And this is about an American pilot named Peter Quill, who also goes by the name of Star-Lord. And he takes this orb, doesn't really know what it's about, but he now is the object of a manhunt by the villainous Ronan. And Ronan is a man who just terrorizes everything, just kills a bunch of people. And at first there's a lot of people that are after Peter Quill, but he teams up with Gamora, Groot, Drax, and Rocket, and together they try to stop Ronan from destroying this planet. And I thought Guardians of the Galaxy was a gamble for Marvel Studios because Marvel has this set list of movies that they're doing, and they're superheroes that everybody knows. And Guardians of the Galaxy is a comic that not a lot of people know about, and I don't really know about it either. So a bit of a gamble for Marvel Studios, and I thought it paid off completely. This movie is a lot of fun, and I don't know if I would classify it as an action film. I would classify it more of a comedy because I was laughing throughout this film so much. This movie is smart humor and it is a lot of fun. This movie is very ambitious, but what I like about it is that it knows what it wants to be. It has a set tone of comedy and fun and doesn't try to be anything else. It doesn't try to take itself too seriously, and Guardians of the Galaxy knows exactly what it wants to be and it delivers on that. And Guardians of the Galaxy is a film that you can just go into, just sit back, relax, and enjoy, and just have a great time, just laugh, and just have a lot of fun. And I think the characters in here are a little bit weird, and that's why I was a little bit worried about the film, because they're all kind of different. They have different characters, different personalities, but they all work so well together. Chris Pratt has a background of comedy, so this role is perfect for him. Zoe Saldana kind of plays her normal self in this role. Just an action star, and her character is kind of the weakest out of them all. Drax, played by Dave Bautista, I think this is his first role, and he is great in this role. He's the kind of guy that takes everything seriously, doesn't joke around a lot, and is just a guy that doesn't know a lot about pop culture references as Peter Quill is giving to him. So everything he is taken seriously and wants to know what is going on, but still does a great job in this role as kicking ass and just having some funny lines because he's taking things so seriously. They're just so funny. You have Groot, doesn't say much besides I am Groot, but he is awesome, different character. Then you have Rocket, who steals the show and is the best thing about this movie. Bradley Cooper does a great job voicing this raccoon creature, and it is so fun. Bradley Cooper does a great job voicing. His voicing style is a little bit different than his regular voice, but it is so fun. Rocket Raccoon has a lot of things to say, and they're so funny. He thinks of himself as so badass, and nothing else is like him. And him teaming up with Groot kind of reminds me of Han Solo and Chewbacca. So Rocket Raccoon is the best thing about this film. But there are a lot of great things about this film. The action is really great. I thought Ronan was a very dark villain. He wanted to terrorize and just destroy a bunch of planets, destroy families, kill everybody. And it kind of reminded me a little bit of Darth Vader. Even though his makeup was a little weird, I thought he was a pretty good villain. The CGI in this movie was really great. Called for a lot of explosions. I think James Gunn did a great job directing this film, directing it as a style of just a comedy film mixed with action. Not a lot of drama in here, so it was really well done. So Guardians of the Galaxy is an overall great summer blockbuster film. Hopefully it makes a lot of money. It is very ambitious, and it's great that it paid off with these weird characters, and it was still a lot of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and give Guardians of the Galaxy an A+. Just a great summer blockbuster. So this is Justin Watches Movies with his review of Guardians of the Galaxy. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.